3, 2, 1.
Which of these statements about the giant panda native to southern and central China is true? The answer is D. The giant panda's pupils are vertical slits. Which of these prominent scientists was not English? The answer is B. Niels Bohr. When blood vessels in the head dilate, what kind of severe headache can occur? The answer is D. Migraine. Who does Andrea lose her virginity to on the soap opera Beverly Hills, 90,210? The answer is C. Dan. Which theory focuses on self-exploration and self-realization? The answer is D. Existentialism. What is the record for the largest gathering of people dressed as minions? The answer is C. 7,136 in Mexico. What is Grandpa's first name in the animated series The Simpsons? The answer is C. Abraham. What word is used in the NATO phonetic alphabet for the letter T? The answer is D. Tango. I'm full of information, yet empty when finished. What am I? The answer is C. Book. The minimum amount necessary for self-sustained fission of a given nuclide is called what? The answer is C. Its critical mass. Mollusks, annelids, and arthropods are considered what? The answer is A. Protostomes. In 1992, 1984, and 2005, who was Penn State Nittany Lions football team's head coach? The answer is C. Joe Paterno. Which term in the Fibonacci sequence follows 3 and 5? The answer is D. 21. Who is the villain's henchman in the movie The Man with the Golden Gun? The answer is C. Nick Nack. Which piece of clothing is typically worn on the upper body? The answer is A. Blouse. What do the names Matthew, Matt, and Matt mean? The answer is A. Gift of God. Rise divided by run is called what? The answer is C. Slope. The modern model of the atom, which scientists call the quantum mechanical model, is based on what scientists' work on orbitals? The answer is C. Schrödinger. The song God, Love, Rock, and Roll was a one-hit wonder in 1970 for what duo? The answer is B. Teagarden and Van Winkle. I'm a color that is not found in any rainbow. What am I? The answer is A, gray. Which river forms a part of the boundary between India and Bangladesh? The answer is C, Brahmaputra. I'm often found in a purse, and when opened, money disappears. What am I? The answer is A, wallet. What is the real name of the saint for which the hospital in St. Elsewhere is named? The answer is B, St. Eligius. What river runs through Mumbai, India? The answer is C, Hooghly. What Shakespearean tragedy features Rodrigo and Iago at the start of the play? The answer is B, Othello. After citric acid forms, it goes through a series of reactions that release what, which is then captured in special molecules. The answer is C, energy. What rate is generally higher for endotherms than for ectotherms? The answer is D, metabolic. What is the study of meaning and understanding called? The answer is C, semantics. What is the name of Nathan's wife on the TV show Heroes? The answer is D, Heidi. Which of these names refers to or is a synonym for red blood cells? The answer is C, all of these. Without me, you can't hear the music or talk to your friends. What am I? The answer is C, microphone. What type of sandwich is filled with cold cuts and cheese? The answer is C, club. At the end of the series Maud ran for political office and won. What office did she win? The answer is C, Congresswoman. The Byzantine Church of Hagia Irene was the seat of the Bishop of Constantinople until what year? The answer is D, 415. What is the name of the French flag? The answer is A, tricolor. What did Ken shout in almost every episode of Ken and Ken when something went wrong? The answer is B, why? What is it that you can kill without weapons, catch without hands, and keep without a container? The answer is D, silence. I protect your hands when you handle fire. What am I? The answer is A, glove. Who is head of the fictional Gryffindor house? The answer is B. McGonagall. I'm sharp at one end and blunt at the other, but I'm not a pencil. What am I? The answer is D. Pencil sharpener. I am the home to many worlds, but not a world myself. What am I? The answer is B. Star cluster. What is the nickname of the English football team Wolverhampton Wanderers? The answer is D. Wolves. Webbed feet are used to move faster through what? The answer is D. Swamps. On the show Coach, Hayden was asked to leave his college team and coach in the pros. He did make the move and took his coaching staff with him. What was the name of the team that Coach Fox coached? The answer is C. Orlando Breakers. I transport goods from place to place without getting tired. What am I? The answer is B. Truck. Who broke Usain Bolt's world record in the men's 100 meters? The answer is A. Justin Gatlin. Which household item has handles on each end? The answer is D. Saw. What is the scale factor when the size of the image is the same as the original object? The answer is C. Infinity. What is another term for chemical messenger molecules? The answer is B. Hormones. What's the only mammal that can't jump?